In this IntelliSqueeze review, I'm going to be showing you a simple but powerful software that will allow you to easily build squeeze pages without paying monthly and, of course, for a one-time price. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out IntelliSqueeze, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says this online software creates GDPR-ready squeeze pages for you. Discover how to create converting squeeze pages in minutes without having to pay for big brand sites like ClickFunnels, Leadpages, and others. Our step-by-step software works online and creates the most converting and beautiful opt-in pages you've ever seen. So the cool thing about this is the fact that it creates GDPR-friendly websites, but only when people are from the EU. So what it detects is the IP address so that someone that is coming from the United States, it doesn't necessarily have to show that to them. I'll show you right here. I'll show you an example of this. So non-EU visitors, they're going to see a pop-up box like this, a normal one, and EU visitors will see the GDPR one. So you don't have to annoy people in the United States where it's not necessary like it is in the EU. So you might have been wondering how you could do that before. Now you can do that with this. Let me go back up here and show you some of the things here. You can add videos on them. They're mobile optimized. It works with all autoresponders. It's easy to use, compatible with all browsers, commercial licenses included. So if you want to sell this as a service, you can. Which could be a way you can go on places like Fiverr and sell these opt-in forms here. Here's some actual examples of what they look like here. Here's the kind of the custom background image, call to action button design, footer and copyright text. You can add a YouTube video if you want or not, up to 3 lines of text. At the top here, here's the EU thing. Again, like I said, simple but powerful. You need to be building an email list. Some people want to build it, but they don't want to have to pay for these expensive softwares. Now you can get this for a very low one-time price. Now, once you purchase, you'll have access to the software. I want to show you an actual example. This is an example page here of what it looks like. Again, you can make a simple page. In my experience, simple pages convert the best. Now, there are a few different upgrades here. Before I do that, I'm going to show you a quick little demo video, then I'll be back to show you the OTOs.
You uploaded the created landing page files using our software. This is an example of how a landing page could look like. You can use up to 3 headlines, change the font size, font family, and colors. You can add a YouTube video. You can add a fully customizable call to action button, changing the text and colors. The same with the footer text, which includes a link to your privacy policy as well. Everything can be translated into any language you like. It is self-explaining that the created landing pages will work on all devices like tablets or mobile phones. When you click the call to action button when you are coming from a non-EU country, the pop-up screen will look like this. You can change the headline text and the subheadline text. Add your autoresponder code, and add a customizable submit button. Now let me switch my connection using Winscribe, that it looks like I am coming from an EU country like France. Now I will refresh the page. As you can see, the landing page looks exactly the same. The only difference comes up when you click the call to action button. As you can see, there is an additional checkbox showing up with the text next to it, where you can add additional infos about what your subscribers can expect when signing up to your list. It also shows a text and a link to your privacy policy again, and an image which should give your visitors more trust on you. Now when someone fills out the form and forgets to tick the checkbox, a message screen pops up. You can customize with your own words as well. As soon as the visitor ticks the checkbox, the subscription to your list will be possible.
Okay, so here are the upgrades here. The first upgrade you're going to see is the white label version. Here, you can it says here you can be able to resell the software with a new name to your customers here. So that's an optional upgrade here. The next one here is that you can get fresh features for this. You can get a cookie consent bar, add Vimeo videos, countdown timer, insert image payment buttons on these pages, and have them be kind of like little sales pages as well. And the last one here is you can get white label of the deluxe version as well here, so you can sell the big version of this too. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about IntelliSqueeze and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, it's not going to have all the super bells and whistles of something like ClickFunnels or Leadpages, just considering the fact that this is a one-time purchase. So if you're someone that has a big budget, you might be better off if you want to be spending hundreds of dollars a month, getting some of those bigger tools that charge monthly. What do I like about this? If you're a newer marketer, if you're a marketer that doesn't have a big budget, then this could definitely help you out. You should be building an email list. If you are not building an email list right now, you don't have an excuse anymore. You can build squeeze pages with this for a very low one-time price. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at IntelliSqueeze, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.